When it comes to improving the aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, and overall comfort of your home, choosing the right windows is an essential decision. For homeowners in Brandon, selecting the best windows can be a bit more nuanced, considering local weather conditions, architectural style, and the range of options available. In this article, we'll guide you through the steps to ensure you make an informed choice for your home. Understand your needs. The first step in selecting the perfect windows is to identify your needs. Think about the function of the windows in each room. Are you looking to enhance natural light, improve ventilation, or add privacy? If energy efficiency is a priority, focus on windows that reduce heat loss during winter and keep cool air in during the hot summer months. Consider whether you want windows that open for better airflow or if you're interested in windows that simply frame the view. Consider the local climate. Brandon experiences a range of temperatures throughout the year, from chilly winters to hot, humid summers. This makes energy-efficient windows crucial in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Windows with high insulation properties, such as double-glazed or triple-glazed windows, can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs. The extra layers of glass act as a buffer against outdoor temperature fluctuations, which is especially important in Brandon's variable climate. Look for windows that come with low emissivity, low-E coatings. These coatings reflect heat back into the room during winter, while keeping heat out in the summer. When choosing a window type, consider the seasonal extremes you face, ensuring your selection works year-round. Frame materials matter. Window frames come in various materials, each with its own benefits and drawbacks. The right frame material can impact the window's longevity, maintenance requirements, and insulation properties. Vinyl frames. These are affordable, energy efficient, and low maintenance. Vinyl windows are resistant to moisture, making them ideal for humid climates like Brandon. They also provide excellent insulation, helping to keep your home comfortable year-round. Wood frames. Wood is a traditional and attractive option, providing a warm and classic look. While wood windows are energy efficient, they require more maintenance than vinyl due to the risk of rot and warping from moisture exposure. Proper sealing and upkeep are necessary, but wood windows can add value and charm to your home. Aluminum frames. Aluminum frames are durable and strong but tend to conduct heat and cold more than vinyl or wood. If you live in an area with extreme temperatures, this could be a concern for energy efficiency. However, modern aluminum frames often come with thermal breaks, which reduce the conduction of heat. Fiberglass frames. Fiberglass is an excellent option for homeowners looking for the durability of aluminum with the insulation properties of vinyl. These windows are strong, energy efficient, and resistant to warping and swelling. Though they may come at a higher initial cost, their long-term durability and minimal maintenance requirements make them a great investment. Choose the right window style. The style of your windows not only affects the look of your home but also the functionality. There are various window styles to choose from, and it's important to select one that complements both your aesthetic preferences and practical needs. Double-hung windows. These windows are highly popular because both the top and bottom sashes can be moved. This style allows for better ventilation and is easy to clean, especially if you choose windows with tilting sashes. Casement windows. Hinged at the side, casement windows open outward, offering excellent ventilation. They are also very energy efficient, as the sash presses tightly against the frame when closed, reducing air leaks. Awning windows. Similar to casement windows, awning windows open outward, but they are hinged at the top. These windows allow for ventilation even when it's raining, which can be a plus in Brandon's rainy season. Bay and bow windows. These add a touch of elegance to your home, projecting outward to create a cozy nook. They can provide more natural light and panoramic views, making them perfect for living rooms and dining areas. Focus on energy efficiency. In Brandon, where temperature swings can be quite drastic, choosing energy-efficient windows is paramount. Look for windows with the Energy Star label, as they meet strict standards for energy performance. Additionally, consider windows with advanced insulating technologies like argon gas fills between panes and spacer bars to enhance thermal efficiency. Professional installation. Once you've selected your windows, make sure they are installed by professionals. Proper installation ensures the windows perform optimally and can extend their lifespan. Incorrect installation can lead to air leaks, poor insulation, and increased energy bills. Conclusion. Choosing the best windows for your home in Brandon involves balancing functionality, aesthetics, and energy efficiency. By considering your specific needs, understanding the impact of local weather, and selecting the right frame material and style, you can ensure that your windows not only enhance the look of your home but also improve comfort and reduce energy costs. Take your time to research, consult with professionals, and make a decision that suits both your lifestyle and your budget.